Let's get started. Step 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library, find Counter-Strike 2, CS2. Right-click it and select Properties. In the General tab, find Launch Options. Now copy and paste the commands, which will be down below in the description. Close the window. Step 2. Now open the Start menu and type View Network Connections. Click on it. Find your Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapter. Double-click it. Click on Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter the following: preferred DNS 8.8.8.8, alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Click OK. Step 3. Open the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Now type the following commands one by one. ipconfig /flush DNS. Press Enter. netsh -winsock reset. Press Enter. ipconfig /renew. Press Enter. Step 4. Finally, restart your computer. Once your PC boots back up, launch CS2 and check your connection. After completing these steps, your lag and network issues should be improved.